How to fix Xiaomi 15 text reaction not working. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection will be work properly or not. For checking your internet connection, open any browser. Like that. And here you can see my internet connection will works properly. After checking your internet connection, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. After clicking on apps, you can see the option manage apps. Now click on it and then search here messages and then click on messages and open storage. Now here you can clear your messages data. After clear your messages data, then go back to the main page of your settings and then click on about phone and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update your latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.